Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Sdn Technologies. Today we'll continue with our e-invoice sharing with the topic e-commerce. Under e-invoice era, when we talk about e-commerce, meaning this is referred to platform. For example, Lazada, Shopee, or other platform where you place your service or product and sell over the platform. A purchaser is actually purchase your product or service through the platform and make the payment to the platform. Then later, the platform will pay back to you. Now, in e-invoice era, you need to understand that in this kind of scenario, you actually imagine yourself, you are selling to the platform, then platform to the purchaser. Meaning, if the purchaser requests e-invoice from you, you cannot give the e-invoice to the purchaser. The purchaser need to request e-invoice from the platform. So, when a purchase happens, platform supply e-invoice to the purchaser if the purchaser requests to do so, or if they do not request to do so, the platform actually need to do consolidate e-invoice. And for yourself, you do not need to do anything. You don't even need to e-invoice the platform. The platform need to do self-bill e-invoice and share you the transaction, and you just record in your accounting software for sales purpose. But please remember, platform may charge you for certain expenses like marketing expenses and others. In this kind of scenario, the platform will actually e-invoice you. So, in e-commerce perspective under platform in e-invoice era, the platform not only your customer but also your supplier. So, whenever they charge you certain things, they need to e-invoice you and you just key in as the purchase invoice or supplier invoice. But in another scenario of e-commerce activities, that you have an e-commerce website by your own, or you're doing a live and the purchaser is actually purchased from you directly, make payment to you directly and not to the platform, then this is totally different. When the purchaser requests e-invoice, you need to give the e-invoice to the purchaser and he make payment to you directly. So that's why I always say that in e-invoice era for e-commerce activities, it's a bit tricky because different scenario may request different treatment. And make sure if you do have your own e-commerce website, make sure this e-commerce website able to generate e-invoice and not export out all the information to your accounting software, then accounting software do the e-invoice, and later on you need to email back to your client. Imagine one day you have 1,000 transactions, you need to do all this manually, so it's not workable. There are a lot of solutions out there that enable an e-commerce website to do e-invoice directly. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Brian from Sdn Technologies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.